Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Looking for a drone that takes your aerial experience to the next level? Meet the all-new GPS drone with 4K HD dual camera, built for power, precision, and performance. With advanced brushless propulsion, you get smoother flights, stronger wind resistance, and whisper-quiet operation. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of extended flight time, giving you more sky and less downtime. The GPS auto-return system ensures your drone always finds its way back, while Track Me and Point of Interest modes let you capture cinematic shots effortlessly. With dual camera switching, one-click takeoff, and a wide control range, this drone is perfect for travelers, vloggers, and explorers who crave stunning, stable footage from any angle. Experience next-level freedom in flight. Click the link below and make this intelligent 4K GPS drone yours today. Take your golf game to the next level with the Revasri Golf Rangefinder. The perfect blend of precision, speed, and smart design. Featuring slope and pin lock vibration, it instantly locks onto your target and gives you accurate distance readings every time. The external slope switch makes it tournament legal, so you can play confidently in any competition. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it's eco-friendly and always ready when you are. Compact, lightweight, and built for golfers who demand accuracy, the Revasri Rangefinder helps you play smarter, swing better, and lower your score. Tap the link below to get yours and elevate every round. Transform your car wash into a professional detailing experience with this foam cannon. It creates thick, clinging foam that lifts dirt and grime effortlessly, giving your car that spotless showroom shine. Built with premium materials and a precise spray pattern, it connects easily to most pressure washers for quick, even coverage. Save time, water, and effort while getting a flawless clean every time. Click the link below to grab yours and make every wash look professionally done. Stay cool anywhere with the clip-on rechargeable fan, your portable breeze for every adventure. With a powerful 8-inch design and 4 adjustable speeds, it delivers strong, refreshing airflow wherever you need it. The sturdy clamp easily attaches to your golf cart, office desk, treadmill, or even your camping tent. Featuring a long-lasting rechargeable battery and USB charging, it's perfect for travel, outdoor fun, or daily use. Quiet, durable, and super convenient. This fan keeps you comfortable no matter where life takes you. Click the link below to get yours and stay cool on the go. Relive your favorite childhood memories with the retro gaming console. Packed with over 20,000 classic games and a 128GB built-in TF card for endless fun. This handheld emulator lets you play all the timeless hits from multiple consoles in one compact, portable device. Whether you're at home, traveling, or on a break, its smooth performance and vibrant screen deliver nostalgic gaming anytime, anywhere. Lightweight, pocket-friendly, and easy to use. It's perfect for gamers of all ages. Click the link below to grab yours and bring the golden era of gaming back to life. Simplify your charging setup with the 2-in-1 charger for Samsung Galaxy Watch and phone. Built for convenience, speed, and reliability. This smart charger powers your Galaxy Watch and smartphone simultaneously, making it perfect for travel, the office, or home use. With its USB-C connection and 4.9-foot cable, you'll enjoy fast, efficient charging and easy reach wherever you plug in. Compact, durable, and designed for everyday use, it keeps all your Samsung devices powered up and ready to go. Click the link below to grab yours and charge smarter, anywhere. Discover the world up close with the Monocular Telescope. your pocket-sized window to breathtaking views. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it delivers crystal-clear magnification perfect for hiking, birdwatching, concerts, or sporting events. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your hand or bag, making it ideal for travel and adventure. With its high-quality optics and durable build, you'll enjoy sharp, bright images wherever you go. Click the link below to grab your Monocular Telescope and see every detail like never before. Experience smart fun with the HIWONDER Robot Car, an interactive, programmable car that brings coding and robotics to life. Perfect for learners and hobbyists, it makes STEM education exciting and hands-on. Click the link below to get yours today. Capture crystal-clear audio anywhere with this universal shotgun microphone, the ultimate tool for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators. Designed for smartphones, cameras, and laptops, it delivers rich, professional-quality sound while reducing background noise. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for travel, outdoor shoots, or on-the-go recording. With its plug-and-play design, you can start recording instantly without complicated setup. Click the link below to grab yours and make every video sound studio quality. Stay wrinkle-free anywhere with the folding portable mini iron, your compact solution for quick, effortless ironing. With 6 adjustable heat settings and flip-out wings, it handles everything from collars to crafts with precision. Perfect for travel, dorm rooms, or business trips, this lightweight iron packs powerful performance in a small design. Keep your clothes looking sharp wherever you go. Click the link below to grab your portable mini iron today. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.